Yo guys, what's up people? Welcome back to my channel, The Wanderer. Uh, Today I've decided to go for a Blue Lagoon viewpoint, which is located in Mysuru. It is about 180 kilometers from Bangalore, and it's gonna take me like 4 hours. The Google Maps is showing 3 hours and 30 minutes to reach there, and yeah, let's do it. A quick update, guys. The route which I have chosen for today is the Hassan highway, not the actual Mysore road, which is actually the main road which connects. The reason I have decided to take this road is because of the uh, construction work going on in the actual Mysore road. So it's really hectic. The last time when I went, it was still going on. It's going from the past 1 year. I don't know when it is going to finish. So I've taken to this Hassan highway.
And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out, some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Slow and you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery, it won't do. Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out, some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow slow down, slow down. slow down.
Alright, guys, have finally arrived nearby the lake close by. Came all the way from there. You see there. So there's a trail. If you have a two-wheeler, you can easily come by from this trail, following the trail, which will lead you to here. So it's a very good viewpoint, I would say, and you can easily find the location on the G maps. Yeah. so you can enjoy the view, guys, and you can even come here with family. It's a very safe place, I would say. You can see a lot of cars nearby, and there is this Sagarakatte Bridge. I don't know if it's visible to you, but the white there marble shows that is the Sagarakatte Bridge, which is leading to there. So this is actually the KRS Backwaters. Also, it connects to. It's a very huge lake, I'd say. So yeah. So this is was my first location, and the second location I would go was the Blue Lagoon Island. So it's approximately 15 kilometers from here, the Sagarakatte Bridge. So the next location I will be heading there short while. Until then, you can enjoy the view. Alright, people, it's time to head on to the next location, which is the Blue Lagoon Island. So we'll meet you in a short while.
Alright, people, unfortunately the access to the Blue Lagoon Island is currently being denied or restricted to the visitors. I don't know the reason, but that's it. I mean, there are many people in the cars coming and just going by, so they're not allowing for anyone currently. I don't know, maybe due to COVID, I guess, but that's it. We're gonna